Hey there! In this tutorial, we will learn about image list formatter. First we will create an application. From the App Center, click on Design New App. Then create New App. Enter App ID and App Name. Create a new form. Drag and drop a text field or an image upload form element. We will drag two text field and image upload to show how you can use the image formatter in different ways. We will set the URL field to read-only, it is optional to do so. But for the sake of this tutorial we will set it to read-only. Save the form and generate a CRUD, this will create a list and a UI and also publish the app. Go to the list created. Image upload field will by default have the image formatter implemented and the image URL source set to form upload. For the URL column add the image formatter, then add a default image URL. As you can see, it already loaded the image. Go to the column value column and add image formatter as well. The image URL source is set to column value. Save the list and launch the UI. Click on New. In the column value field, add a link to an image. As you can see, the URL field is set to read-only. Upload an image in the image upload field. Save. As you can see, the URL image is there by default as we added the URL in the image formatter. We can click on the image in the image upload column but not others. Let's fix that. Go back to the list builder and check the checkbox, click on image to view full size. One more thing, the height and width of the image can be written in pixels or percentage. Save the list. Go back to the UI and refresh. It works. This is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.